Hello guys, welcome back to ZSX AA Collectibles. Okay, so today I just came back from a short holiday with my family, and during the holiday I managed to go to my friend's house at Kota Kinabalu to pick up this sweet little package that have been sent by Legendary Toys. So this package had been with me since Monday, and it's in the car because I'm on my holiday and there's no pop time during the holiday. It's strictly family time. So today I came back with another unboxing video and a little review. So what is the pop inside? What are the pops inside? Let's find out. So first we will take a look at the packaging. As always, with Legendary Toys you will get good packaging. If you have not been ordering from Legendary Toys, you should, because one, the seller is very friendly. Second, you'll get this top-notch packaging like I have over here. Okay, so it comes with double boxes with plenty of bubble wraps. Let's take it out of the way. Check this out. Oops. Plenty of protection. And with Legendary Toys, you will also get to ship your pops with protectors. Okay, so I've seen the inside. Everything looks good. Okay, so enough about the packaging. Let's go and take a look at the pops that I got today. Thank you, Valen, for the perfect packaging. Well, let's get to the review. Okay, so the first pop that we have is Duck with Toys. This is from the Disney movie Up, and this is Duck with Toys. This is a common pop. You see, it's very cute. It also have ducks, pigs, fish, I believe, and also another dog over there. So it's cool. So that's number one. I'll just put it here. Number two, also from the movie Up. This is Russel. Okay, so for Russel, the OG one is very expensive. So I believe that this common one is enough if you want Russel. So for your information, Up is the only Disney animation that I've collected so far. I have quite a few of them, and I miss out Russel and Duck because the OG price is very high. So if I were you, I would advise you guys to collect these common ones because I think they are good enough. Okay, off to the next pop. Haha. From Marvel, we have the Spider-Man. I believe the name is Supaidaman. Supaidaman. Yeah. This is from the Japanese animation of Spider-Man. Yeah, Japanese TV series. So this version, it is a PX Previews exclusive. It also have the glow in the dark chest version, which I unfortunately didn't get. It's okay. You win some, you lose some. But I think it's very cool. So the reason why I get this pop because I have the first appearance, the first comic appearance of this. I'll find it later and show it to you guys lah. Okay? I think I'll put it over here. Alright. Okay. Okay, so on to another pop. Okay, so this pop I believe is some of you guys, even me, the animation lover, anime lover. We have anticipated this for quite a while, and this is Giyu Tomioka, an AAA exclusive. So this pop for me right now is the best Demon Slayer pop because of the sculpt. It's very good. Okay, so for this version, they only have this exclusive version. There are no glow in the dark. I think if it have the effect, the glow in the dark effect of the water, it will be nicer. But I'm satisfied with this. Okay, on to the next one. You guys know that I'm a big fan of anime. Okay, so we have the Ichigo, the AAA exclusive Ichigo. So this is the common exclusive. It also have the Chase version. Wait. Okay, so first we talk about this pop first lah. Okay, so if you look at this pop, it is quite the same as the last pop, the common Ichigo pop. I'll grab it for you. Except for the clothing lah. So this is the common one, the old one, and this is the new exclusive one. The sword, I believe it is black in color. As the last one, it says also is black in color lah. But this one, I think is the pose is cooler. Okay. And for the final pop, are you ready? I guess you can already guess it lah. I even prepared this Popholic hot stack for it. So, do you guys wanna have a guess? Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Okay, so this is the Chase Ichigo with the hollow mask. Yeah. Ooh. I'm very excited about this pop. I think among all the anime pops that are out right now, sorry, I even blip. I think this is the coolest by far lah. It's in the top 3 of my list. You see, the top 3 alongside the Kakashi Anbu chest, I think, yeah. So this is among the top 3. I'm so happy that I got this. So off it goes into the Popholic protector. Oh, I remove it first, yeah. Pause. Continue. Okay, so we are putting this inside the Popholic hot stack. Voila. And we are going to close it. So for those of you who haven't watched my review of the Popholic hot stack, you can watch it in my previous video. So here you go. This is the Ichigo AAA Chess exclusive. Did I get that right? Yes, I get it right. So the pop protector, okay, let's talk about the protector bit. So the pop protector, I think, is very premium looking, very exclusive. The magnet is also very good. You should buy it. That's all. Okay, so here you go. Yeah. So these two bad boys will be over here. Okay, so let's take a look around the room for a bit before we stop. So okay. So most of you guys know that I also collect comics as well as sneakers. And this is my pop section. This is my Marvel section over here. Sorry, a little bit messy. Okay, So I also have this cute little guys. This is the Mighty Jax X-Ray. So I have the complete package of the Golden Age heroes over here. DC. This one is Marvel, of course lah, you know kan. Okay, so this is my supposed to be, it's my My Hero Academia section. Okay. And this is my Demon Slayer section. This is my 2-bit SS Ichigo. This is a figure by Quantum something, I forgot the name. And this is my anime section. That over there is my Dragon Ball section. 1. It goes right until here, 2, 3. Okay, so 3. And this is my Evangelion section over there. Full Metal Alchemist, Random, Bleach, Fairy Tail over there. I got one. One Punch Man. You guys see this one. Okay, my. What is this? Inuyasha. Yeah, sorry. This is my Tokyo Ghoul section. Inside, you can see that it's Tokyo Ghoul. This one is my Pokemon section. SpongeBob section. A little Disney over here. That one is my Sesame Street section. This one is my DC section lah, DC over here. This one is my Hunter x Hunter. And inside we can see, I don't know if you can see 2 DCs over there. And these two are the Blackjack series. Okay, Blackjack. I also have some TV series over there. And also movies, icons. And over here is my 6-inch station. Okay, this is my random Ban Presto section. I also have some dopes over here. This is my Nandroid section. For your information, I have the full series Nandroid of One Punch Man, and it's also available for sale. You can look at my Shopee if you want to buy anything. Okay, my stuffs are 100% legit. Okay, so I'll drop a link of my Shopee also in my description if you guys want to buy anything. And this is the Bandai Yokai watch series. This one it's supposed to be Beyblade, my Beyblade section, but I have to cover it up because my son wants to play with it and it's not age appropriate for him yet, so I have to cover it up. This is my Gundam section. And this is my Up section. And some Naruto moments over there. Okay, I think that's all of my stuff. Oh, over here I also have some comics. Okay, so the boxes over there is for the series. I have some, this one is for Marvel and DC, and up there I have the indie section, and behind all these covers are more books. I have to display them, otherwise I don't feel that I did them justice lah. So that's why I display some of them, and I also always change them occasionally lah. And this one is my exclusives section, only for Malaysian artists. So over here we have Kyle Ngu section. Everything over there is also Kyle Ngu. This one is from Master Alan Kwa. This one is from Alan Kwa, and this one is from Santa Fung. This one is from Master Puppet Lee. That one is also from Alan Kwa. So please support our Malaysian artists, guys. And up there you can see some comics by Comic M, and also Nigel. Ernest Ng, the COVID Ball series that are very popular. And up there we also have Atan Benwong. Very good story. If you guys haven't read it, you should. And this is some random lawak kampus everything. And okay, you can see. Okay, this is my sejadah. Okay, so this is some of the novel that I have. So I read some Hilal Ashraf stuff. I think Hilal Ashraf is a very good Malaysian writer, writing about fantasy world that is kind of Nusantara, and it's very good, especially the Sumpahan Legenda and also the Hikayat series. And I also collect some of this one. This one is the Solo Leveling, the official one by Dubu Redice Studio. I believe it's a studio from Singapore. They are the official seller lah, the official publisher of Solo Leveling in Asia, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so I think that is all from me. So I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. If you want to ask me anything, just drop it in the comment section below. And please don't be shy, because I'm not shy at all. No lah, I'm shy lah, sikit-sikit. Okay, adios guys.